Today, we're diving into the exciting world of rumors and leaks surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. While Samsung itself hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, the tech world is buzzing with possibilities. So buckle up and get ready to explore what this phone might hold. Samsung has been blurring the lines between its flagship and mid-range devices lately, and the S24 Fan Edition is expected to follow suit. We can expect a design language similar to the S23 Fan Edition. The display is almost guaranteed to be an AMOLED panel, offering vivid colors and sharp visuals. Here's where things get interesting. Screen size rumors are swirling. While the familiar 6.4-inch display seems likely, some leaks suggest a possibility of a slightly more compact 6.1-inch option. Regardless of size, expect a high-resolution FE Plus display with HDR10 Plus support for stunning visuals. Durability shouldn't be a concern either, as the phone is likely to come equipped with either Gorilla Glass Victus or the even tougher Victus 2. The S23 Fan Edition offered regional variants with either the Exynos 2200 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipsets. This time around, rumors suggest Samsung might go global with just the Exynos option. The specific Exynos model is still up for debate, with possibilities including the Exynos 2200, the newer Exynos 2400, or even a rumored Exynos 2400 Plus. If the latter is true, we can expect significant performance improvements, especially in graphics processing, overall CPU power, and AI capabilities. RAM might also see a bump to a hopping 12 GB LPDDR5X compared to the 8 GB in a previous model. Storage options could include 256 GB with a faster UFS 4.0 standard, with a possibility of a 128 GB variant using the slightly slower USB 3.1. However, it's important to remember that these storage and RAM details are still based on speculation. Major camera upgrades might not be on the table for the S24 Fan Edition. Rumors suggest Samsung might stick with the proven Samsung ISOCELL GN3 sensor, which means a familiar 50-megapixel primary camera and a 10-megapixel selfie camera could be making a return. While this might not be groundbreaking news, it assures users of a reliable camera system. The S24 Fan Edition is expected to launch with the latest Android 14 right out of the box. Even better, it might receive updates all the way up to Android 18, future-proofing your phone's software experience. To enhance user experience even further, Samsung's innovative Galaxy AI features like Browsing Assist, Chat Assist, and Circle, the search with Google, might also be included. Battery life might remain the same with a 4,500 mAh capacity. We can also expect the phone to support 25-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging for convenient power management. While there's no official launch date yet, the S24 Fan Edition is anticipated for release sometime in the latter half of 2024. So there you have it. These are the exciting rumors surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. What are your thoughts? Are you excited about a potentially powerful processor, a familiar yet reliable camera system, and the promise of future-proof software? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe to the channel for more tech news and updates. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.